Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Procurement. Today we're continuing our Incoterms series, and we're talking about one of the most practical and misunderstood terms out there, FCA, or free carrier. If you've ever been confused about who does what, who pays for what, and where the risk actually transfers, don't worry. By the end of this video, FCA will feel like second nature. Alright, let's start simple. FCA basically means the seller hands over the goods to a carrier chosen by the buyer, at a place both sides agree on. That's it. No drama. No complications. The key idea is 1. The buyer chooses the carrier. 2. The seller delivers the goods to that carrier. 3. Once the carrier takes the goods, the risk moves to the buyer. Think of it like, I'll bring the goods to your truck. After that, it's your problem. FCA has two versions. First, FCA at the seller's premises. The buyer's truck comes to the warehouse, the seller loads it, and once it leaves, the risk transfers. Second, FCA at a named place, like a forwarder's warehouse. The seller delivers the goods there, and risk transfers at handover. Unloading isn't automatic and depends on the agreement. These two versions are great for clear visuals. Risk transfer is the heart of every Incoterm. Under FCA, risk transfers the moment the goods are handed over to the carrier. Not when the truck leaves. Not when the goods reach the port. Not when the buyer pays. Risk transfers at handover. Simple, clean, and easy to document. Use FCA when the buyer wants control over the main transport. The seller is comfortable handling export clearance. You want a clear, documented handover point. You're dealing with multimodal transport. Honestly, FCA is one of the most practical Incoterms for modern supply chains. Let me save you from the classic mistakes I see all the time. 1. Confusing FCA with FOB. Remember, FOB is only for sea freight. 2. Not specifying the exact handover point. 3. Assuming the seller must unload at the named place. 4. Forgetting to document the handover. 5. Using FCA but expecting the seller to arrange main transport. That's CPT or CIP, not FCA. These mistakes cost companies money every day. Alright, quick recap. FCA equals seller hands goods to buyer's carrier. Two versions. Seller's premises or named place. Seller handles export clearance. Buyer handles main transport. Risk transfers at handover. Great for multimodal shipments. If you understand these 5 points, you understand FCA. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll dive into the CPT Incoterm and break it down just as simply. Until then, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel.